These chocolate-covered orange peels are so easy to make and they are so delicious. What we need is 2 navel oranges. I peeled one here and I'm going to peel the next one also. Like this. And then we are going to peel it away. This is probably the hardest part, to peel the orange. Yeah. Because I want to keep it intact, so I can cut long and narrow slices from the orange peel, and so you don't want to break it up too much. I'm going to slice it into thin slices, about 1/4 inch. I cut them all, I slice them up. It's better to have longer strings as it will be easier to dip them in chocolate. So this is done. I'm going to place them in my pot and I'm going to cover them with water. And we are going to bring the pot to boil and boil them for 3 minutes. I boiled my orange. Ooh, I'm getting a facial too. I boiled the orange peel for 3 minutes and now I'm going to strain it. What this does is take away the bitterness from the peel, from the orange peel. So I'm going to strain it in here. And of course the juice I'm not using for anything. I will throw it away. And now I'm going to add to my pot 1 cup of water and 1 cup of sugar, just granulated sugar. And I'm going to place it back on my burner and I'm going to bring it to a boil to make a syrup, just a simple syrup out of it. The syrup is boiling and now I'm going to add the orange peel. And we'll cook this until the orange peel becomes translucent. The orange peel has been simmering for 50 minutes and now the liquid is almost all evaporated, so we are going to remove it from the pot and set it to dry. Them on a parchment paper and let them dry, and now they are more candied. So now I'm ready to dip them in chocolate. So I melted my chocolate over hot water and I also added a teaspoon of shortening, 1 teaspoon of shortening. So I melted the chocolate. I'm using dark chocolate and I started dipping them in the chocolate. Use a tongue, a small tongue if you have, or fork, and just take one at a time. And I like to dip them and leave one end clean. Just easier to hold it that way. And here they are. I dipped all the peel in chocolate and I'm going to place it in the refrigerator to harden. After 1 hour in the refrigerator, the chocolate has hardened and now we can peel it easily off the parchment paper, place it into a covered container and keep it in the refrigerator until you want to use it and enjoy a little sweet and delicious chocolate. I really hope that you enjoyed today's recipe, and if you did, please remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.